I have flown many drones in my time, but this one creates panoramas and visual perspectives that are beyond anything I've filmed before. The DJI Avata 360 has let me create some truly incredible shots, capturing all of the world around me with mind-bending effects created there and then. Having a 360 camera that can capture and produce these crazy panoramas directly in flight was a completely new experience for me. It's unlike any model I've ever flown before. So DJI are releasing the Avata 360 at midday UK time on the 26th of March, and I will be doing a full review on how I found this groundbreaking drone, along with the specs, features, and of course the video and image quality produced. Look forward to seeing you then.